So let's get started. Okay, city. I hope it's not gonna be that much tough to find nature. Okay, mages. Okay, no thanks. Wow, that's so good. I love that thing. Oh, come on, it's so stop. Okay, that's a nice thing. I know that nature's gonna come soon. I know the nature is gonna come soon. I love nature a lot. I love nature. I can, you know, I love trees the most. Trees are my favorite.
A few moments later.
Nature, and people love nature a lot, so I know that nature is gonna come soon. Because people can't live without nature, that's what the thing is. I want nature. Nature is a common thing. People love that, and I know that I haven't find nature in about
2,000 years
some
later.
seconds. Please, nature is not coming. I can cry. I want nature. I'm surfing through this for about 3 to 4 minutes. There's no nature. I want nature. Please give me some nature. I can't live without nature, as you know. Please, I want nature. I feel so angry. I feel like kicking Google. Please, please, please. Yes! That's nature. That's nature.